8.4, question number 7. The mean of 25 observation is 36. Out of this observation, the mean of the first 13 observations is 32, and those of the last 13 observation is 40. What are we asked to find? Find the 13th observation. Okay, so right now we don't know what those observations are. Okay, but we know that there are 25 of them. That is why I'm just saying that total number of observation under bracket x1, x2, x3, x4, x5 till x25, right? Then my total number of observation is 25. All right, now they have given us a mean of the 25 observation, right? Mean of 25 observation is how much? 36, right? Mean of 25 observation is 36, right? Now let us find a sum of 25 observation. So just like your previous question, all right, here I know mean is how much? Mean is 36, right? And I'm trying to find this sum of 25 observations, and then total number of observations how much? 25, right? So here 25. Then if I bring that 25 up, we'll have to multiply, right? And fi xi, and then there is a when I multiply, I'm getting 900, just like our previous question. Okay, now let us go back to the next. The mean of the first 13 observation is 32, right? So mean of the first 13 observation is 32. That means sum of the first 13 observation, just like this, if we do, I'm going to get 416. All right, again, and those of the last 13 observation is 40, right? So mean they've given to us. If I try to find the sum again, I just have to multiply 40 into 13, and I'm going to get 520, right? So remember, I'm supposed to find the 13 observation. Okay, but now have a look here. So I can write that sum of the 25 observations is equal to sum of 13 plus sum of the first 13 observation plus sum of the last 13 observation. When I add these two, it should give me sum of the 25 observations, right? But now look here. So I'm just showing you, you don't have to write this blue part, right? The blue color region, x1 plus x2 plus 25, right? Sum of the first 13 means x1 plus x2 plus x3 till x13, and this sum of the last 13 observation, right? Which means you will start from x25, right? x25 plus x24 plus x23, like that you will come. You will see that it ends in x of 13, right? So can you see that there are two observation, there are two 13 observation, right? But it cannot be, right? We just have to have only one. Okay, because there are two, I have to subtract 1. There is, we can see here, minus the 13 observation. All right, now sum of 25 observations, how much? We got 900, right? So I've written here sum of the first 13 observation is 416, which I have written. Then sum of the last 13 observation is 520. So we already know why this minus is there, right? Because of 213. Okay, all right, now if you subtract, if you add these two, you're going to get 936, right? Which is plus. If it goes to the other side, it will be minus. Now when you subtract these two, you're going to get minus 36, and you can see here that on the right side it is minus 13 observation, right? So I can divide this minus and minus. So 13 observation is 36.